guys? It's your girl Shar, for those of you who are new here. And those of you who are returning, welcome back. You a real one. I have so much energy. My makeup turned out so good and I'm like so hyped. This video is going to be like a rambly, get ready to meet, chit chat type of situation. I don't know, like I've had so many thoughts. Long story short, this is to get ready with me. This is the look that I created. I'm really excited for it. I used a bunch of Christmas makeup in this video and I'm like super excited because it's been so long since I brought y'all some new products, a whole new set of just everything. Like this look was just new, like, and I just loved it, and it's so nice to play with new makeup. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. As well, comment down below, let me know what you think. That lets me know that you are picking up what I am putting down for you. This is not just my channel, this is yours as well. We are comfortable, we are confident, we are unique here on this channel. I want to be all three of those things. You need one of all, I want to be all three of those things. You need to want to be all three of those things for yourself, which is why you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the gang, where we do our... What is going on with my hand movement today? It's because I'm sitting in my living room. I feel like I have so much more space to move and breathe. Let's just go ahead and get into the video, and you can comment down below, like, and subscribe if you are smart. Let's get into it. This feels so weird, like, so weird. We're gonna work with it. I hope that y'all can still hear me well. It's so weird being this far away from the camera. It definitely takes some adjusting, but I'm like working with it. Yes, but you guys, I have so much new stuff in front of me. The Bretman Rock Colourpop wet set. I have here too, like, I have the Anastasia Bretman Hill Dream Kit, you guys. I have Morphe 35V right here. Love this. Let me just show y'all what this 35V is hitting for. Okay. Then I have the Kylie Halloween palette, which y'all have also seen in my Christmas video. The High Impact Highlighter palette from Morphe too, I also have. So yes, tons of new makeup. Finally, y'all, we're going to get it popping. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to use the MAC Lustre drops in the shade Sun Rush. Really get under the under eye because I have been like getting no sleep for literally no reason. So I'm trying to just make sure that under eye has hella glow. I need that. I know I look crazy, but I need it. Eyeshadow primer. I think I'm going to set it with Skinny Legend from the Bretman palette and see if that works. Wish me the best of luck, you guys, because sometimes setting with eyeshadow does not work in my favor. Because using setting powder on my eyelid gets so drying and it ruins my look sometimes. So I'm trying to find new methods to set my eyelid without ruining my look. So I thought maybe I'd take my base shade, like my transition shade, and make it what I set my eye with. But yeah, you guys. If you can tell by the title of this video, I kind of have something on my heart. And I'm speaking from a perspective of the beauty community because that's the part of YouTube that I I'm literally a part of, and two, the one that I care the most about. But does anybody else like miss the old YouTube? Y'all just remember like the beauty YouTube used to be so freaking different. Like, do y'all feel that way? Because I do. Like, I just see so much of the stuff that happens now, and I'm just like, what is this? Like, what is going on? Pause on that. I'm about to go into the Kylie palette. I'm like obsessed with this like base. This called Halloween. This color is like my life, but if we're gonna get into it with this Morphe 35V, they have some colors in here that are screaming for me. We're gonna go in real quick with this color from the Morphe 35V palette. This like plummy gray situation, this whole craft, like this whole quote-unquote industry, I guess you'd call it. Because people literally make up so much money off YouTube now. It really is just like an industry. It's another branch in the beauty business, you know? But like this is like, I'm talking about the YouTube where like it wasn't even like that. Like I remember when we used to just watch Michelle Fawn put big googly eyes on herself, you know? And like show us where to get really cool contacts in the description bar, you know? That's the YouTube, you know, that I miss, where people just made good content and they loved what they did and they just did it for fun, and they just had a camera and they just had some makeup and they just put it on, and they weren't, you know, looking for some huge payout, you know? They weren't even thinking about it because they didn't even really know it was a possibility. Even if it totally was the whole time, like no one was really like aware of that. And a lot of people who were getting money from brands weren't really talking about it, you know. Not that it's a bad thing to discuss that kind of stuff. I think that it is fair to disclose when a brand is paying you to talk about a product or paying you to try something. I just miss those days, like when it was a lot simpler, like, and there was a lot more behind the scenes that we as consumers or viewers, you know, didn't know. And I'm sure you're probably thinking, why would you not want to know what, you know, is going on? But like, I just miss that. And I miss when like, when a palette dropped, it was a huge deal because it meant something, because palette releases were rare. Like, I remember the naked days. I remember when people used to literally die to get their hands on a naked palette. And I remember like, I mean, I was in high school, so that $50 for like $100. I thought that palette was like a Pat McGrath palette or like a Charlotte Tilbury palette. Like, I remember that. Because who was making palettes like that? Who was doing that? Like, Urban Decay really like took it to a really awesome level. Like, I just remember those good old days. And hey, some of you guys may have been watching YouTube longer than that, but I'm just reminiscing on the YouTube that I remember. Like, and I remember like watching like Mac Barbie 07. Remember when YouTube had usernames? Yeah, like I said, you know, Bethany Moda. I used to like watch her videos when she was Mac Barbie like 07. And I remember the first YouTuber I watched was like Alexa Losey. She made like a DIY like American Shorts video. Oh, yes. Those were the days, you know, when usernames were a thing on YouTube and people, you know, weren't clout chasing and making YouTube videos to get famous. Like, I remember when you couldn't even get famous off YouTube. Like, you were just YouTube famous and that was just it, you know, like it just stayed there. Ooh, I'm already loving this. Okay. Because I know what lid color I want to use. I'm just trying to figure out how to build it up and make the lid color worth it. Like, and now I just see all this stuff that people do. And like I said, this is not to shade anybody, and like I'm not like talking junk. I still love YouTube, like makeup YouTube, like I did yesterday. Okay, we're gonna go in with this plum color that's right next to the color I was using before. And I remember like watching like old, you know, JH, Jaclyn Hill, love her. I remember like watching her videos. I remember like when I first found her, and she was just like, you know, sitting on her back porch, you know, putting makeup on. And she like worked at MAC, and like she was telling us like what was hip at MAC and what people at MAC were using, and like telling us what brushes she was using on her clients. Like, I just remember when YouTube was so real. Like when YouTube was like literally just a video blog of your life, and like if you love makeup and you like to record yourself doing makeup, that was just life. Like, and I'm not saying like the evolution of YouTube is bad, because I love a lot of aspects about the newer YouTube now too. Like, people can literally, you know, feed their families with this, and that's awesome. But like, I just miss when like there wasn't a new palette released every single freaking season, semester, week, and month. You could really tell what your favorite like YouTubers loved in makeup because they'd use it in their videos like over and over again. Like, and it wouldn't be like a situation where they don't even have time to go back to a palette because they're too busy getting paid to review every other freaking palette on the market, or trying to keep their channel current because people are demanding they try out every single new palette. That's not bad either, because I love, you know, watching reviews on certain products. But I just like remember those days when YouTube, like you could go to someone's channel and not see them all using the same palette because it's new, or because a brand sent 16,000 YouTubers that same palette. I miss the variety. You know, I miss when you could find people who use completely different products from each other. Like, and everybody's channel was an adventure. Everybody's channel was an experience to find something new for yourself. And like and everybody wasn't grabbing for the same makeup, and people's, you know, I just miss it. And I used to love that about YouTube. I used to love just the variety that you get. I feel like makeup's supposed to like make you feel comfortable, confident in yourself, you know? It make you feel unique. Like, it make you feel like this look, no one's doing this look, you know? Like, this look is different. This is what I created. This is my art. Comfortable, confident, unique. That's why that is a slogan on this channel, because we want to push the status quo. We want to do stuff new. I feel like I'm rambling, but I don't care. And I just miss like when makeup was fun, and makeup wasn't politics, and makeup wasn't behind the scenes, quote unquote behind the scenes in industry, and it wasn't so Hollywood, you know, so fake, so money hungry. When it was literally just a passion, you know? And I don't know if it's a good thing that we are like evolving in this direction where you can make so much money on YouTube, and you know, or what, but it seems like it's becoming so commercial. And then like now you can't even like monetize your videos unless you have a certain amount of views or whatever, and it's like, it's just a lot. Like, there's just a lot I feel like plays into YouTube now that didn't play into YouTube then. Like, I just feel like YouTube has gotten less passionate about people creating content, uploading videos, and connecting, and more about let's make the most money off this. It's not even just the YouTube, like the beauty community. I feel like that's just YouTube as the actual platform in general. What happened to the YouTube where it's like the only time people hate on you was in the comment section, and that's the people I control? Like, I remember that YouTube. And now people have to worry about getting on the internet and seeing whole entire videos about them that just bash them. That's awful. That's so mean. Like, this internet has gotten so cold, y'all. YouTube has gotten harsh. Things are different. You make the wrong step and you are canceled, okay? What is this color called? I think it's the color Nightmare. Yes, no, it's not. It's Main Boo. Yeah, I'm gonna use this gray shimmer in the Kylie palette called Main Boo. Cause it's been calling me for like days. But yeah, like, and I don't need to sound negative, like I'm kind of more reminiscing about the good times, like when, you know, the biggest thing going on YouTube was the Naked palette. It was the Naked 3 palette releasing. Like, y'all remember that? And it was like Urban Decay's first time making a Naked palette that I felt like was like black girl friendly too, whether anyone noticed it or not. That was just like a big deal for me because the Naked 2 palette was ashy. I love that gray though. Like, I don't know what possessed me, but I was like, that is a lid color. And it really is. I uploaded a look that I did yesterday playing in my makeup, and that's on Instagram, XO_CNT. Go check that out. Like I said, that's kind of why I kind of started doing YouTube again, because I was like, I hate this crappy commercial YouTube. Like, I want to be very not commercial. I definitely want to bring an aspect to YouTube where it's like, okay, she's going to do her. You have to start where you are. So I'm not trying to like bring back old YouTube per se, but I definitely want to bring back that, you know, feel of just genuity, just that feel of genuine connection with the person you're watching, and like genuinely someone who's really out here showing y'all what good makeup, and like really, you know what I'm saying, like just being real, like being relatable to a point where it's like everyone feels comfortable being here. But I feel like the perception is so warped. Like, I just feel like people forget what it's like to be the YouTuber at home who just, you know, I don't know. And then it's like so many YouTubers have to put on these brave faces because they're like, we are brutal. Why are we as consumers so brutal on these YouTubers? That's what I want to know. Why are we so mean to these YouTubers? Like, why do we want to see their careers end? Why are we hell-bent on destroying them? What's wrong with us? You remember when we would just watch the videos, thumbs up, and comment down below? Like, y'all remember that? Can we go back to that too? Like, we literally help these people build up these careers, we put them on these pedestals, and then get mad at them for being elevated. To hypothetically, like metaphorically speaking. I'm not saying literally elevated like anyone is better than somebody else, but just like, I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm not gonna go down that rabbit hole. The point that I'm trying to make is that even though this is just makeup, we've clearly made it this community has made it very clear that it goes way beyond the makeup, and that your character counts, and it's not just blending the eyeshadow, and there's accountability, and it's what you do off camera that matters. For as a consumer, it matters as well. And if we're going to set those standards, we as consumers also need to understand that, like, we're still dealing with regular people who just happen to turn on the camera and a lot of people watch. There's still people people are still imperfect, people are still learning themselves, and a lot of people don't even choose to be these people that y'all try to make them out to be. But at the same time, it's just kind of like, should we penalize people for disagreeing with us or not having the same views, moral stance with us? You know, it's just so weird, because it's like, who are we to tell someone they can't beat their kids this way because we don't like the decisions that they made? It's such a weird slippery slope, but at the same time, it's like, certain YouTubers I don't watch because I don't feel like they make content for me, or their content offends me. These colors are like super, super glittery. So what I'm going to do is use a base Morphe and then add one of those. A drama channel got into it with a YouTuber last night on Twitter, and I was just like, I have had enough of this. Like, somebody has got to say it. Like, we need to get our together, y'all. Because this community is not even a community anymore. It's like this huge, like this huge thing where people expose people and are mean to people and like are fake friends, and they try to expose each other, and they like get tea on each other. Like, why? Why do y'all have to be like that? These brands are gonna send y'all PR boxes regardless. They just want y'all to put the lipstick on, swatch it, and tell people that you thought it was cute. Like, I want this channel to be the opposite of all of that negativity that's out there. And I feel like, and even myself, like, people want their channel to pop off. It's not as easy as it used to be to just make a video and get thousands of views. It's just not as easy as it used to be. Let's be real here. It isn't. And I know people get frustrated, and so they start doing stuff to get their numbers up. So I'm going to use this color, Wish. I think that'll go cute with this. I was thinking about using this color, Ethereal, but I don't want to get, ooh, actually, yeah. I might use both of these. I'm going to use these two. These last. And I know it's probably hard to see because this palette's like so chromatic, but yeah. I'm going to use a purpley color called Ethereal, and then this like goldy color with purple flecks called Wish. Like, bring back that fun, makeup sharing, makeup loving vibe, and less of this get the coin, get the sponsorship vibe. Like I said, I'm not saying any specific YouTuber is or isn't doing that, or that one is better than the other. I'm not, because I don't know. The reason I'm saying all this and ranting and making this video is because I wanted to talk about it, because one, I was like feeling nostalgic, and two, like I said, I wanted to make sure that we knew what was going on here. As for me and my channel, we're going to be positive in 2019. Positive, positive, positive. But yeah, I think I'm done. That's all the stuff that I feel like I miss about YouTube and that I like to leave like behind. YouTube's making a weird shift, and I want to redirect that energy someplace positive. And me being biased and me being a content creator, I want to circle that energy this way. Sweet. I'm gonna take this plummy brown color in the 35B palette. I'm gonna use it as a liner. I don't care if that's weird. I'm doing it anyway. So I just wanted to chit and chat about some stuff that I missed about YouTube, and some stuff I'm just like, not with it. Okay, Kylie gloss in the shade Literally. Hey, look. What do y'all think? Are you with it? Are you gonna see love it, you hate it? Because it's the end of the video. I'm about to spray my face. Dewy setting spray, nothing new. It's crazy. I've literally been using this setting spray religiously for like 2 years. The only setting spray I used except for this was the Morphe, and I actually really like that. I'll be getting some more of that today. Alright, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little rambly rant soapbox situation. Go ahead, give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it as well. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Like I said in my intro, this is not just my channel, it's yours as well. And go ahead as well and subscribe. Subscribe! The new year is about to start. You need to get on this train. Don't want to miss out. Alright, I have stuff to do, so I'm going to go live my life. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm sorry, baby, but we only sweat the checks. So honestly, baby, you can be next. Playing with both sides like you playing with regret. Playing with this size like you playing with a check.